All right guys, we are trackside at I-64 MX today. Perfect time to open up the BRAAP box. Monthly subscription box tailored to you. Looks like we have a fly jersey. This is the radium. It's mostly black. Muck Off high performance waterless wash. Cleans and polishes in seconds. Motley tube. That's interesting. It's like a headscarf that you can wear a bunch of different ways. Over your eyes, over your forehead, over your nose and neck. That's pretty cool. We have an amp exhaust guard. If you guys aren't familiar with these, this will just wrap around about any 4-stroke exhaust and then zip ties, and that way if your bike falls over, you're not going to trash your exhaust. Here comes Weston off the track. How's practice, buddy? Good. Good? All right, just lean your bike up against the camper. I'm showing everybody the BRAAP box. We got a premium microfiber detailing cloth from Muck Off. Uh-oh, you guys are gonna love this. A sticker sheet. Nice. And then, as usual, this month's issue of Racer X magazine. So that's the BRAAP box for this month. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna get back to some riding.